Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Instagram message swipe reply option not working on your Android phone. The first thing I would recommend you do is go into Play Store and you want to check if your Instagram app needs updating. If it does need updating, I would recommend that you tap on update. After that, the second thing that I would suggest, if you do not have Messenger downloaded on your phone, you will need to download Messenger. After you have downloaded the Messenger app, you are going to close out of Play Store and you're going to go into Settings, scroll down and you're going to select Apps. And from here, you're going to search for Instagram. Then you will select Instagram. After you have selected Instagram, you're going to scroll down and you're going to tap on Storage. And you want to tap on Clear Data in the bottom left hand corner. After you have selected Clear Data, you're going to tap on Force Stop in the bottom right hand corner. Now you should go into Instagram and you should be able to use the swipe reply option without any problem. If you are still having a problem, I would recommend that you uninstall and reinstall Instagram. Hopefully this tip helped. If it did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.